Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. And this week, I hope you're shopping around for some rims because, yes, I know, the look means all. But so does safety, fitment, and performance. So I'm going to give you a quick checklist on what to look for. Rim diameter is the inch size. So we're speaking 17s, 18s, 19s. And if you're planning on upsizing, try and keep the overall tire diameter as stock as possible. This will keep your ABS and your speedo from having a complete meltdown. The usual move is a wider, lower profile tire as the diameters go up. Width is measured between the bead seats, and it's always the first number, so 8J by 18. And J doesn't stand for the width, it's the flangey size of the bead. And I want you guys to always remember to match your tires to the width, for safe mountings, of course. Tires give you grip, but only if they fit properly. PCD is your pitch circle diameter. It's your lug count plus your circle size, so 5/120 or 4/100. And this is pretty important because if you get this wrong, your wheel won't even bolt on. Offset is how far the mounting face sits from the center line. You get a positive and a negative ET. A positive pulls the wheel more in and a negative pushes it out. But remember, too much tuck and too much of a poke can be bad. You can rub on your fenders or put too much stress on your suspension, and neither of which you want. Your center bore should always match your hubs. If it's bigger, you can use a hub-centric ring to reduce the vibrations and keep your wheels centered. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to be aware of 3 types of wheels. The first one is rep. They're affordable, but they're the heaviest. You then get flow formed, which is lighter and stronger, and then you get forged, which is the ultimate one. They're the strongest and the lightest. But that being said, they're also the most expensive. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Don't forget to drop your questions down in the comments, and I'll see you next week.